If I slip through the cracks, monkey claw in my back, falling off of the map into obscurity, duped and faded to black. Give my things to my brothers, give my praise to my mother. Tell my lover I love her. If I stumble from grace, if I can't stop the mobs from coldly lynching my thoughts, I've been hunted down and caught for all the havoc they've wrought. If my shadow gets old, before I do, don't let it be thrown to the wolves, or madly hounded by trolls, whirling out of control. Please remember me warmly, bless my memory and mourn me. Pray my angels adore me. If I stumble from grace, drown in the flood, the foul rage in my blood. My masterpiece is a dud, just wheels spinning in the mud. And if my memory fades, tragic wistful and crazy, lives out of phase. The only home I've ever known is set ablaze. Just think of me at my finest, my beaming heart at its kindest. Beg for mercy to find us if we stumble from grace. If I stumble from grace, if I stumble from grace. Stumble from grace, if I give in hate, show up ragged and gray, $1 short and a day late. If I slip through the cracks, monkey claw in my back, falling off of the map into obscurity, duped and faded to black. Give my things to my brothers, give my praise to my mother. Tell my lover I love her. If I stumble from start